Hello everyone, it's Victor here, and today we're going to explore the various holidays taking place on March 29th. Get ready to celebrate with family, friends, or even just take a break for yourself. So, let's dive in. Mermaid Day is a whimsical celebration dedicated to the mythical and enchanting creatures known as mermaids. It is observed on different dates, with International Mermaid Day falling on March 29th, and another Mermaid Day celebrated on the third Saturday in June. The origins of these celebrations are unclear, but they both continue the long tradition of the fascination with mermaids and their cultural significance around the world. On Mermaid Day, people engage in various mermaid-themed activities to express their love for these captivating beings. Activities may include hosting mermaid-themed parties, reading books or watching movies about mermaids, dressing up as mermaids, or spending a day at the beach. The celebrations allow participants to delve into the world of mermaid mythology, folklore, and symbolism, while connecting with fellow mermaid enthusiasts. National Mom and Pop Business Owners Day. National Mom and Pop Business Owners Day is observed on March 29th annually to recognize and celebrate the hard-working individuals who own and operate small businesses across the country. This special day was founded by Rick and Margie Siegel to pay tribute to entrepreneurs like Rick's parents, who started with a modest hat shop in 1939 and eventually expanded it into a successful 10,000 square foot, $2 million clothing store. This holiday is an opportunity to appreciate the dedication, long hours, and hard work that small business owners invest in their ventures. On National Mom and Pop Business Owners Day, people are encouraged to visit and support family-owned businesses in their local communities, recognizing the unique value these businesses bring to their neighborhoods. Manatee Appreciation Day. Manatee Appreciation Day is a special day dedicated to raising awareness and appreciation for manatees, gentle herbivorous marine mammals often referred to as sea cows. This day is celebrated on the last Wednesday of March every year. Manatees are vulnerable and endangered species that face numerous threats, such as habitat loss, water pollution, and collisions with watercraft. Manatee Appreciation Day encourages people to learn about these fascinating creatures, understand their unique characteristics, and help protect them and their habitats. Activities on this day may include sharing manatee facts, videos, and images on social media, participating in educational events, supporting organizations focused on manatee conservation, and visiting manatee sanctuaries or reserves to observe these remarkable animals in their natural environment. National Vietnam War Veterans Day. National Vietnam War Veterans Day is observed annually on March 29th to honor the service and sacrifices made by nearly 3 million service members who served in Vietnam, as well as their families who supported them before, during, and after the war. The Vietnam War Veterans Recognition Act of 2017, signed into law by the 45th U.S. President Donald J. Trump, officially designated every March 29th as National Vietnam War Veterans Day. This day serves as an opportunity for Americans to come together and express their gratitude to Vietnam veterans and their families for their service and sacrifice. Events on this day may include ceremonies, parades, and other activities to honor and remember the contributions of Vietnam War veterans and their families. World Piano Day. World Piano Day is an annual celebration that takes place on the 88th day of the year, which usually falls on March 29th, as a nod to the 88 keys on a standard piano. The event was initiated by German pianist and composer Nils Fromm in 2015 to recognize and celebrate the piano as a versatile musical instrument, as well as to honor the musicians, composers, and piano enthusiasts around the globe. World Piano Day aims to encourage people to appreciate the piano as an instrument and explore its vast range of musical possibilities. The day is marked by various piano-related events, such as concerts, recitals, workshops, and discussions, which take place both in person and online. Piano enthusiasts worldwide are encouraged to participate in these events, share their love for the instrument on social media, and enjoy piano music from different genres and styles. Niagara Falls Runs Dry Day. Niagara Falls Runs Dry Day is an unofficial observance that commemorates a unique event in history when the flow of water over the American and Bridal Veil Falls at Niagara Falls came to a near halt. On March 29, 1848, an ice jam in the Niagara River caused by strong winds created a natural dam, resulting in a temporary stoppage of water flow over the American side of the falls. This rare occurrence lasted for about 30 hours before the ice jam broke and water flow resumed. While Niagara Falls Runs Dry Day is not a widely celebrated holiday, it serves as a reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature. Some people may choose to mark this day by learning more about the history and geology of Niagara Falls, or by sharing stories and images of the 1848 event on social media. Enjoy these fantastic celebrations on March 29th, and remember to make time for your loved ones and yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and have a fantastic time celebrating.